Hey guys, welcome to Theory Testers. So the other day, my mom looks at me and she goes, "Son, keep sneezing and holding it in. One day you're gonna blow your brains out." Yeah, because Mom, that's what happens. You just sneeze so hard that the snot contracts and blows your brains out your ears. That's stupid. That is so stupid. So, anyways, just to prove her wrong, and that I was right, as per usual. I've been snorting pepper all day, so been sneezing the majority of the day, but hopefully I can prove her wrong, and I'll put a little count. I'll count how many times I've sneezed to show her that no matter how many times you sneeze, you're always Ugh. It's 3. You know what they say, third time's a charm, right? It means my brains would have been blown.